Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can block spam calls permanently. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you need to go to your phone, and then right over here on your phone settings you'll see this option of three dots just on the top corner. Just simply press on that, and then you just gotta go to settings, and right inside settings you just need to do two things. So it might look different for you, but if you're on a Samsung phone it will look like this, but if you're on a different Android device the settings should look same, but you just gotta locate these settings. First up, it's called caller ID and spam protection. So if you want to completely block it, so you just simply need to turn this option on, and for me it's turned off. You just need to toggle the switch and turn it on. Now another way you can block is actually just go to block numbers, and you can just manually put in the number and then just block it, and you can directly turn on the option of block unknown/private numbers, and once you do this it will block the spam calls permanently. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.